Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto tortellini. First, gather your fresh ingredients like basil, pine nuts, and good quality Parmesan cheese. You'll also need some garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and of course, your favorite tortellini. We'll walk through each step, ensuring a delicious and satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. This guide makes cooking simple and enjoyable for everyone. To begin, let's craft your fresh pesto. In a food processor, combine about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, and 2 cloves of garlic. Next, add 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Blend these ingredients until they form a smooth, vibrant green sauce. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, let's prepare the tortellini. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil, adding a generous pinch of salt. Carefully add your fresh or frozen tortellini to the boiling water. Cook them according to the package instructions, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes for fresh pasta. Once cooked to al dente, drain the tortellini thoroughly using a colander, shaking off excess water. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Transfer the warm, drained tortellini back into the pot or a large serving bowl. Add your freshly made pesto and gently toss until every piece of tortellini is beautifully coated. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of additional Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves. Serve your delicious homemade pesto tortellini immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.